Boy, if you don't quit it.
What are those?
Ohio State.
Look who showed up, guys.
Yeah, how goes it?
This,
My man.
listen, this
My
is,
main man.
I think this is going to be the only time you'll ever see me, Travis, Wayne, K9, and Austin all in the same video.
And Pops was here.
And Pops was here earlier, y'all saw that, but Wayne just got off work, worked 26 hours straight, because little do y'all know, he was up last night till probably 2 o'clock making his video that hadn't come out yet. Or maybe it has, I don't know.
We're almost there.
We're almost there.
I forgot a torque wrench last night, so I had to stop.
But I am in the process of editing his video, and y'all probably have already seen it by now. I don't know. There's so many videos, I don't know. But yeah, show them what we're doing.
Tell them what we got.
All right, so we got the white RSX we had that was in pristine condition.
Wayne don't know nothing. Tell
what-
them what's going to happen when Wayne and A-Slim get back on the track on the not a slushy fest.
I don't know. We'll have to
Don't tell
find out.
So actually what they're about to do is, y'all are about to fire this motor that we've spent all day today on outside of the motor.
On the floor.
You're not even going to put it on a stand or nothing.
I'm going to do it just like I did mine. I'm going to slide it up to the front of that car and we'll shoot it with some gas and hit the key.
I like this guy.
Dude, we got lucky when we got Wayne back into racing on our team, didn't we?
I told you it was strategic.
I know, it was very strategic.
Wasn't I, Wayne?
Yeah, something like that.
Because what time is it? We got all the kids asleep,
Except for my son.
except for your son, and everybody's asleep. When I'm back down here, it's like 8:30 at night, so we're still grinding away.
Hey, guys!
Hey, we're trying to make a video over here. But we are co-mixing the videos right now, so I'm in the middle of videoing the one we're still doing, and old K9 and Austin's part 3
Well,
on
we're
the,
getting that ready so we can crank it over the car.
on the loner junker, piece of junker.
Tell them again.
Hey,
Tell them again.
they getting that ready so we can crank it over the car.
Are we going to try to crank that one too?
That's the plan.
That's the plan.
Got him now.
All right, well, I'm going to have to use these this video in both videos. Y'all may see this twice.
Wayne, I got him now.
All right, well, do what you got to do.
All right, we'll come back when we get this thing closer to cranking.
Shattered inner guts out of that joke. We'll find out, huh?
As long as I can get far enough in that hole, I'll look the speaker up.
Okay.
I'm really curious.
That'd be awesome if it fired up.
What?
It'd be awesome.
That'd be awesome, just for ease sake. It doesn't seem like anything we've done lately is very easy, is it, Wayne?
No, it's not. It
Yeah.
hasn't been.
Me and Wayne have had a lot of text messages.
Y'all's phone rates are going up. Huh?
I'm glad I got unlimited.
That's right. Did it fit?
Y'all done with that engine, Jack? We're going to have to pick this up to get it closer so I can...
You're gonna have to set it up over the bay.
Yeah, because
Or over the. Okay.
I'm trying to help everybody.
Get your shoe.
So I didn't get it on video, but I believe we have good news on this.
Oh, I have fantastic news. The computer let me in it. So I got to fondle it a little bit. I made her do what I wanted, and now you're fixing to witness the greatness.
Here we go, guys. The good old Wayne special. Let's see something. Uh-oh.
Somebody hit starter, please.
Tap on.
Where's that axe?
Hold on. Here you go. Right here. Uh-oh. Well, it's trying to get power.
Okay, pause.
Pause. Pause.
Jumper cables. and the battery's charging.
Hey, I have a jump box at my house. Will that
I
work?
didn't bring none of that stuff.
Okay.
Jumper cable.
All right.
Get the key, Jace. Crank it. Nope.
Where's the other battery at?
Gotta crank it, Jace. Oh. Crank it. No. Oh. It's gotta be. The starter's not spinning. The motor spins over, right? Y'all spun the motor over.
I ain't got nothing to do with
I'm
this.
asking.
No, we didn't spin
Yeah,
it.
it's got spun.
Dad spun the motor over.
Oh, yes, when we did the timing, we did.
It's not motor. It's in neutral.
That's so weird because, like, I mean, it's been cold. Really?
The starter's. It should be spinning over right now because it's trying. It sounds like the contacts are engaging. It's just not spinning.
So should we take the starter off and?
We'll be back. All right, guys.
Fire. God.
Here goes nothing.
You ready?
Wait, what's this red one
You ready?
for?
Nothing.
Yep.
Something's caught right here. I can't.
No.
Take two. Take two.
Let me check that. Hold on. I didn't get it all the way on, I guess. All right.
Here we go, guys.
All right.
You ready?
Yeah. No. No box.
Yeah, ain't a
We
lot
got
of
enough
juice.
juice.
Hey, that's my move.
Don't say, hey, guys.
See what we got real quick?
You ready?
Yeah.
Are we in gear? Because this thing's spinning.
No.
Fine.
Hang on, buddy. We need like that.
Yeah, because the way it's angled. Watch this.
Or a spray
How big
bottle.
a hose?
Look down a little bit, Chris.
Kevin, like this?
Yeah, that could work.
How much you need? Wait, about that much?
It's,
Kevin, about a foot away.
Alright.
Yeah.
I need some more gas in there, Kevin.
This is Jimmy rigging here, right?
Oh. That's fixing to hit that pies. That right there.
Oh, I didn't even look at that.
Yeah, you wanna pick that motor and level it?
No, it'll crank. As soon as it gets to sucking, it'll suck it in there.
All right.
You ready?
Hold on.
Hey.
Look
stick
at
it
this.
in there. Just stick it in.
Hey,
what do you mean?
Stick it in the bottle.
Oh, okay.
It'll suck it. I got a little bit in there.
You ready?
All right.
We still ain't got a lot of juice, do we?
Alright, pour a little bit in there. It ain't got a whole lot of juice in it.
Well, we put the battery out of it. Double O on
There
it.
No, we're not touching double O again.
That is Double O's battery.
Originally.
And that was the one that we thought was no good, and both times they were firing it.
We got all these batteries and jump
That's
boxes.
exactly kind of how it sounded before.
You go in there.
Watch this, sir.
That's how it sounded before.
Austin, don't spray. Dump it out.
Like,
now?
I used to be able to do
It's
that.
It sounded like there was a.
You want me to drill a big old hole in
No,
it?
it sounded like there's a
There's
scratch in
a
it.
drill hole in it.
It's like the starter's weak, or there ain't enough juice on.
Right?
Yeah.
Hear that?
Yeah, I don't like the way that sounds. It shouldn't be squeaking. It's not in gear. Cut the cable.
Hold on, we got. Alright. Where's
Well-
the oil pan thing?
Little bit of an update is we found out some bad news on this motor.
It's got a squeak.
It's got a bad squeak, almost like the junker car over here. So we're thinking maybe it's the oil pump. It's bad. So K9, before we move forward with this, is going to move the motor over, or turn the motor over, and see if this one's squeaking too. Well, everybody, unfortunately, bad news. Very bad news. this motor that we spent this whole video working on is trash. So the game plan is to take it apart, send it off to Wayne's, and back up and punt. Because right now this is not going to happen at all. So Wayne's going to take this motor, completely rebuild it, and then we'll go from there. So this project is getting put on the back burner. The good news is the ECU got programmed. It spun over with the key. The air conditioning blower worked. The car's clean. The lights all worked. Everything worked. Except the most important part, the motor. Unfortunately, the motor has to be rebuilt.
This thing's crapped. No, we're going to have to rebuild the bottom end, and that's okay because then it'll be a fresh rebuild. We'll buy a brand new kit.
Both ends.
But all ends.
The whole motor's going to
We're
be
rebuilding
rebuilt.
the whole thing, and whoever gets this car is going to get an incredibly low mileage RSX with a brand new engine, and it's going to be really nice. We're going to put one of the suspensions that we got from another car that's around $1,200.
Coilovers, right?
Yeah, we have like a $500 exhaust that's going on the car from
Rims.
Yeah, nice rims.
Actually, they're stock rims, but
yeah, it's gonna look really, really good. It's gonna be a great car. So excited for the next person. Unfortunately, that means I'll lose out on a little profits, but as long as it's right, I'm okay.
and that also is a positive because they're going to see more video on it.
Yeah, that's true.
We didn't finish it all in one day.
Sponsored by Diet Pepsi.
It was a really long day. We started me and Austin at 8 o'clock and it's 11:30. So that,
11:30 right now.
yeah, so that is a long day of working, son.
You know what I think of
My
Diet
Garrett
Pepsi?
call and stop working.
Yeah, Travis, sign us out.
I've drank Diet Pepsi once.
Sign us out on a
Is this the end of
Mississippi.
a video?
This is the end.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Just put sin on the. Just put,
Or else.
just put sin on the.
Finished.
I don't care if you comment, just like.
We were glad to have Travis and Wayne and Kevin, Dad, me, and Austin all in the same video. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank y'all for watching.